What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the best ways to drive unlimited traffic to your affiliate offers. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. And so yeah guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys the best methods that you can take home and use today. And I'm also going to be showing you guys the worst methods to use when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, the platforms I'm going to be showing you guys are all leveraging paid platforms, because with paid advertising, these are essentially the best ways to actually drive highly targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. And essentially, there's no limit to the amount of people that can actually purchase your product, but it also depends on your ad budget and your ad spend. So we're just going to jump right into it today. These are the best ways on driving unlimited traffic to your affiliate offers. So the first thing I'm actually going to list to you guys is traffic sources that are not affiliate friendly, because a lot of people may get confused on which traffic source is currently a great platform to use. And obviously, you know, the market changes constantly, so old methods might not work today and vice versa. And so you really have to be able to adapt to, you know, what works with affiliate marketing and what doesn't. Same with e-commerce. You know, a lot of methods are constantly switching up, so it's really important that you really understand which platform works best for you when you're trying to make money online. So traffic sources that are not affiliate friendly, and the first one I actually listed for you guys is Facebook advertising. Now, you guys may be wondering, you know, what are you talking about? Facebook advertising is the best way to advertise on social media. And I do agree with that to an extent, because with Facebook advertising, you get that pixel, and there's really no better platform that offers that trackability where you can literally gather the right data to what your ideal audience is, and later down the road, retarget them in the future. But the thing about affiliate marketing with Facebook advertising is with their guidelines and policies, they're constantly cracking down on people that are trying to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, because a few months ago, they used to be affiliate friendly until people really focused on actually trying to make money affiliate marketing, you know, for example, with ClickBank products. And so it's much harder to actually be compliant with the Facebook ad guidelines. Now, I'm not necessarily saying this for everything that you're trying to sell. Like, Facebook advertising works well with, you know, selling physical products online, like with Shopify dropshipping. But in regards to affiliate marketing specifically, you know, with ClickBank products, JVZoo, Max Bounty, whatever product you're trying to sell, then it's very difficult and very expensive to really sell your product with Facebook advertising, even if you use a landing page. And I'm not saying you should totally disregard Facebook advertising, because it is possible to actually sell stuff affiliate marketing with Facebook advertising, but you got to make sure you're using a landing page. But I'm actually going to be showing you guys later on in this video, so make sure you guys stay till the end, better traffic sources that you can leverage to actually make money with affiliate marketing. And they're also going to be much cheaper, if I didn't say that earlier. But Facebook advertising is the first non-affiliate friendly platform to use currently. And so the second one is Instagram ads. Now, for those of you who don't know, Facebook actually purchased Instagram, so they're kind of correlated with one another in regards to, you know, affiliate marketing. But again, I'm not totally disregarding Instagram ads for, you know, selling stuff online. Like, it works great with e-commerce and selling physical products. But when it comes to selling digital products, you know, it's not the really ideal place to go, especially if you're trying to make a good ROI with selling stuff online. And so Facebook ads and Instagram ads are kind of one and the same when it comes to paid advertising for affiliate marketing. They both kind of have the same rules. But the third one that is not affiliate friendly is actually Google AdWords. Now, Google AdWords, I think if you're trying to promote your affiliate website and send traffic to go there, then it works great for that. But for this video, it's specifically for affiliate links and sending targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. With Google Ads, you know, it's also very pricey to actually sell affiliate products online. And they're also a very strict platform where they're not very compliant and really user-friendly for beginner affiliate marketers driving traffic to your affiliate products. You know, I would shy away from all three of these because there's going to be a lot of testing that goes on with these. And these are by far more expensive than the other traffic sources I'm going to show you guys. And I'm actually going to show you guys that in a second. But these are the three that I recommend you guys stay away from when it comes to affiliate marketing. So we're just going to move on here. And so traffic sources that are affiliate friendly, okay? And these are the top ones I recommend for you guys if you're trying to really make money with paid advertising, because these are actually known to work well with affiliate marketers, work well with converting to generating affiliate sales, and really making money online in general. So the first one I recommend for you guys is Bing Ads, okay? Because with Bing Ads, guys, they're very user friendly, especially for beginners. And the best part about Bing Ads is they're not expensive at all, and they don't have strict guidelines in regards to affiliate marketing. They actually promote it with Bing Ads advertising. But again, guys, with affiliate marketing, I always recommend you guys sending your traffic straight to a landing page. That's a better way to convert instead of sending them straight to your affiliate link. You know, although you can send them straight to your affiliate link with Bing advertising, it's not a good way to actually make some sales with affiliate marketing. So I recommend when you're using Bing ads to send them directly to your affiliate landing page, and you're going to see a much better ROI when you're actually spending money with Bing advertising to get those affiliate sales. So that's the first paid traffic source I recommend for you guys. And the second one is solo ads and list buys. And with solo ads, guys, it's pretty much where you get an experienced marketer's email list to actually send traffic to your affiliate offers. And essentially what this does is you can actually build your own list from using another person's affiliate list that's already established and with very highly targeted people that you can actually sell your affiliate offers to. And so when it comes to solo ads, guys, your main objective is not necessarily to actually get those conversions right away, although it is possible to actually get those sales. The best thing about solo ads is that you can actually build your own email list when it comes to promoting affiliate products. So if they don't convert the first time, you can actually add them into your email sequence, and then once you have them on your own email list, then that's your customer forever, guys. So that's the benefit of solo ads and list buys. Again, very affiliate friendly for beginner affiliate marketers and experienced ones as well. And then the third one is banner ads and native ads. These are the little side pictures you see in, forums and websites that specifically promote, specific offers. And you may see these in forums like Warrior Forum or, other affiliate websites. And these are great if you're looking to, generate fast sales with affiliate marketing, especially if you have a good banner ad on a website that doesn't actually look like an ad. And that's actually the best way to actually get some conversions. I've been able to generate sales with all three of these listed here below. So highly recommend banner and native ads if you're looking to really start generating some traffic to your affiliate links. And the fourth one, and this isn't really a traffic source that's never been mentioned much, especially with, making money online with Shopify and affiliate marketing, but Twitter ads is a very beginner-friendly platform where you can actually promote affiliate offers on their website. And the best part about Twitter ads is they're not that expensive. They're very user-friendly, and again, they're a very newer advertising platforms. So, they want people to actually do business with them, especially when it comes to paid advertising. So they're not very strict as a social media platform like Facebook, where you have to literally follow guidelines or you can get your account banned. But with Twitter ads, guys, they're a very compliant platform where you can literally start selling your affiliate offers on there. So if you haven't already checked them out, I recommend Twitter ads, because as time goes by, they might get very competitive and more people may be adopting Twitter ads because of how big of a platform it is and how active users are really engaged with that platform. So keep an eye out for Twitter ads, because that can potentially be a gold mine for affiliate marketing. So these were the 4 best traffic sources I recommend that are affiliate marketing friendly. I recommend you guys try each and every one of these, especially if you're a beginner affiliate marketer or if you haven't made money with affiliate marketing yet and you're looking to generate some income or drive traffic with paid advertising. But yeah, guys, I really wanted to share this video with you guys today because I know driving traffic is pretty crucial when it comes to making sales with affiliate marketing and potentially making a large amount of income from it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. Yeah, guys, take care.